All right, my friends, here is the standard algorithm for 4 digits by 1 digit when we are multiplying. So again, we call this the standard algorithm simply because this is what has been used for the longest. It's what all teachers used to teach everybody. So your grown-ups probably know this method if you were to ask them. It doesn't mean it's any better than the other ones. I think the other ones can be a little bit easier, especially when we get to bigger numbers. But I did want to show you this method because it's one of the options out there. So I'm going to do 2,345 times 5. So you'll usually see it written like that to begin with. You'll want to write them on top of each other. All right. So first, I'm always multiplying by this 5. So I do 5 times 5, that's 25. So I write the ones digit and I carry the tens digit. Now I do 5 times my tens. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 2 is 22. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. And then 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. So 11,725. I think this method can be harder because you're having to multiply and then add in your head before you write anything down. But especially if you're more familiar with your facts, this way might feel easiest for you. So really what it's all about is what is the easiest method for you to understand and do. I'm going to show you another example of 9,318 times 6. So you'll see it like that, and then you'll want to write it like this, or sometimes it's written like that to begin with. So 6 times 8 is 48. Write the 8, carry the 4. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 4 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 6 times 3 is 18, plus 1 is 19. And then 6 times 9 is 54, plus 1 is 55. Okay, so again, if you want more examples, feel free to hop on to the Google Meet or email me and let me know that you want more examples. I can also send you another video if you're not able to join the Google Meet. Good luck!